Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. Join me today for a fun, easy tutorial on how to make these tassel charms and pendant charms for your planner and journal. So today I'm using BeebeeCraft's pendant, a kit here with the cabochon oval shape in its bezels. I also have some Mod Podge dimensional glue, which is perfect for this project, some scrapbooking paper scraps that I have left over. And what I have here is the oval cabochon that came with the kit, and I'm just putting it on top, trying to see what design I would like to see underneath our little pendant charm. I've already traced one on the right side with a butterfly. I'm just looking for one more piece that we can add to our little DIY pendant charm here. So all you have to do is put that cabochon on top and use your pencil to trace the oval shape. So that's what I'm doing here, and this is perfect to use up your scraps. I have so many scraps in my stash that I'm gonna make a bunch of these pendants, maybe make some necklaces as well. So now that we have those two, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it up and get it ready. So we have our ovals here. I have my dimensional glue here that I'm going to apply on top of our scrapbook paper. So you want to have to apply this evenly so it makes sure that you don't have any bubbles. So I'm just using a little paintbrush to help me do that and just evenly spreading it across our little sheet here. Now I'm going to do the same on the flat surface of our oval dome here. Again, evenly, just spreading it out. A pretty thin layer, not too thick, just enough to create an adhesive for both pieces. So I'm going to press that together and make sure that it is aligned. And when I'm done, I'm going to create another one. So see how quick and easy this is to make. So again, evenly apply the dimensional Mod Podge. You can use regular Mod Podge if you'd like, but this dimensional glue has a better clarity once it's finished and once it's adhered to your glass dome or cabochon. So that's what I'm applying there. And I'm going to get my bezel, and I have just a little bit of glue that I'm going to apply to it in just a sec here. But first, some dimensional Mod Podge again on top of our oval cabochon. Now that we have that aligned, I am going to get my oval bezel and put some Mod Podge glue on top of it. Now you can definitely use a stronger glue if you'd like, but I've seen in my previous projects that this works pretty well. So I just put a good amount on top of that and then just set that on top. And we've made our first pendant little charm. And repeat the same to another one. You can also use paper with text. That would be fun to have words like faith, hope, joy as your background. And these make great gifts, like, you know, handmade gifts that you can give to friends and family. So now that we have that, let's just have another closer look at how these pendants look like, and you can see how pretty they stand out. So here are the pendants that I've made using that little kit. We're using these as charms on our journals or planners. I've attached a necklace chain to this one. Might have to find another one that matches the color, but you can definitely make your own customized necklace and find paper that probably has text if you'd like to use that inside. Here's a look at the third little charm that I've added to an existing little dangle here on this beautiful traveler's notebook. And you can see the clarity coming through here on this glass oval cabochon. So it's really nice. I love it. Not too heavy for the base. It's super light, so it's easy to add it to your journal without adding too much weight, and it looks really pretty. Alright guys, now I'm going to show you how to make a super easy tassel charm for your planner or your journal using these BeebeeCraft pearls. Look at these beautiful colors. I have some of these trims and ribbons that I've cut to size about 10 inches long, and I think these colors will match well and make these stand out. I also picked us a few of these random extra beads that we'll add to the mix. So I have a piece of thread here. What we're going to do is just stretch our ribbon out, find the center of our bunch here, and then we are going to tie a double knot to hold these together. So let me just do that. And then when we're done, we're going to string up our beautiful pearls and make a beautiful little dangle charm for our planner. So do that knot, and then I'm going to string it up with our needle here. So I went ahead, my eyesight is not super great, so I think this needle threader comes really handy. Alright, let's start with our first pearl. I think I'm going to go with this one and add our beautiful, I think a dark purple would go well against that light blue. Super nice. These would be great for making jewelry, bracelets as well. So we have that. Let's see what our next color, I think some pink, no, maybe some blue. Love this color here as well, like a little glass bead. And then let's see, blue. Really love this almost baby blue pearl here. So I think that'll go really nicely. Then to add a little more contrast, let's add some of that pink. And I want to put some of this green. I think that'll look so pretty on our charm here. Look how pretty that looks. Now we're going to add some of the blue. And I like mixing up the shapes because we have all our round beads and some squares would be nice. So let's see what other color we can add here. I'm thinking this is so pretty. I think we'll try that. Super cute. So now that we have that, I'm going to go ahead and probably end our little charm. It's a little long now and it's perfect. I like the colors. I may add maybe another pink to the mix. Maybe some white first. White pearl. Oh, that's so pretty. And a little bit of this pink here. And sometimes tassels are great. The longer, the better. But for this one, I'm just going to put it a little bit medium. And then we're going to double knot this. So now here is a look at our tassel charm. It is super beautiful. Look at these beautiful pearls. It looks really nice. Now I'm just going to attach it to my Traveler's notebook planner here, and look how pretty that is. Here's another look at what we made today. I hope you guys enjoyed this super easy tutorial on how to make your tassel charms and these wonderful pendant charms for your journals and planners. Thanks again for watching Caramia's Corner. See you next time. Bye.